Hi, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel, here to go over my November yarn subscription box from Darn Good Yarns. And just wanted to add, I had ordered this poncho from them when there was the sales, and also the headband I have here on is the waffle stitch headband that I had made. It's a free pattern from Heart Hook Home, and it was using Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I believe the colorway is Polo Stripe. Anyways, so I just received my November subscription box today. I know they had mentioned they were running a bit behind with shipping, and I have a subscription that's actually 3 skeins of yarn for $25, and the shipping is $3.95. And as a member, you also get discounts on orders. I believe it's either 5 or 10% when you purchase orders, and you also have flat rate shipping within the US of $3.95 for any orders you place. I believe that's the amount. Anyways, so this November month, the colorway is called Forest Hike. So there you can see it much closer. It's a twist sport weight silk yarn, hand wash only. And it's 50 grams or 150 yards or 137 meters. And they recommend a 4mm US G6 hook or 3.5 US 4mm knitting needles. In the tag, they mention a bit more about the yarn. It's like an excerpt. And if you don't already know, Darn Good Yarns, this yarn is actually made from silk. It's reclaimed silk. It's silk made from reclaimed saris. And what it mentions in here in the little note is Forest Hike. Let's not be afraid of the chilly temps. This yarn was made to inspire you to create a cozy accessory and hit the trail for an invigorating walk through the woods. Feel the mountain mist while you inhale and find your inner peace. From the owner of the company, Nicole Snow. And it mentions inside it's Meet Usmana. She is the yarn ball maker. She's marked on Darn Good Yarns for a month and 3 years. Oh, she's something of the yarn of the month for 3 years. It kind of has a hole in the middle, you know, like punched. But apparently every card, you know, like depending the yarn of the month, it'll mention an individual. She says, your subscription has helped us provide her with solar-powered lights so that her children can study for their schooling. And her favorite yarn is Autumn Jubilee. We also received a free skein, and they mentioned that for this month and for next month for the subscription holders that have the three skein plan. And they included a skein of, or a little ball of the Modern Harvest, and this was last month's yarn. I actually didn't I had actually skipped that month for the yarn subscription for October. But it is a very pretty colorway. But now I only have one ball of it. And in here it mentions it's Meet Naida. Naida has been working for Darn Good Yarn since 2018, focusing on yarn of the month. Her favorite part of her job is trying new color combinations. Her favorite yarn is Phenomena. And the little blurb, it says for Modern Harvest. See, and it kind of looks like that. It'll mention the person and the... It says, we love pumpkin spice as much as the next person, but we also want our yarn to last us past the spookiest day of the year. No, not tax day, Halloween. We designed this yarn to be cozy with a modern flair that stays timeless throughout the year. And this was Usmana's picture. There, the little blurb. And we also received a little gift for the people that have the 3 Skeins of Yarn subscription, which is some 3 little travel hooks. I believe it says the sizes on them. Maybe on the bottom of the key ring. And also included with the subscription is a coupon code for that month for a purchase of up to 35% off. And you can choose your own 1 free pattern with the of the same type of yarn weight as what our pattern is, and they also included a pattern, which is the Pretty Pebbles bandana. And one side is the crochet part pattern of the pattern, and the other part is the knit side of the pattern. So that's everything for this month's Darn Good Yarn November subscription month, yarn kit club of the month of 2023. And I also have the skirt subscription club monthly, but I figured that wasn't really yarn related, so I'm not really doing videos on that. Thanks. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.